Phetchaburi is a city a lot of people still don't really know. If Ayutthaya is a history lessons everyone hears about. This place feels like the whole book. UNESCO recognized it. Food, temples, art that still had a heartbeat, and a landscape that started at the rivers, drive into the cave, and end where the waters open into the seas. Today, our journeys bring us to this place where the stories come alive. We roll into the towns on motorbikes just after sunstrike and start at the old riverside market on Phetchaburi Road. Local call these little lands and Rimnam's market allays. It is one of those streets that wakes up slowly, floating wooden doors like they open after others. Cattle go on board, students scrape across concrete, and the rivers quietly mirrors everything's back. On one side, you have a gold wooden concrete house. On other side, wall covers in community's modern street art. Shadows puppets, fish, trails squeak, snippet of local life hand from one end of the alley to another.
Let's see what we have here. It's a Thai tradition for Phetchaburi.
Yeah, actually it was the culture. Actually this menu was introduced during the summertime. So normally when during the summertime in Thailand, the weather is very hot.
You may asking like what the English version of it.
We sit down and meet the cities through one bowl of culture. The rice is Thai famous jasmine rice. Wash it until each grain turns glass is clear. Then soak it in jasmine scent water that has been perfumed with smoking candle overnight. Around it, the classic side dish are lining up. All taste and flavor go along in harmonies. Culture is a dish for hot seasons, and Phetchaburi has been doing it for generations. The river airs here are warm and humid, so people wanted something cool, clean, and refreshing. What's really tie everything together is that today's plum sugars. It makes the sweet side dish rich, but never has. The more you're looking around while you're eating, the more this bowl is starting to feel like a map on a small tables on one narrow alley. Teacher from Phetchaburi walk up to us at the rivers, suddenly jump off the piers, then start talking. He told us that in King Rama the fourth times, building Pranakon Kiryats on the top of hill of Phetchaburi, mixing Thai, Chinese, and European style, was a way to proving that Siam couldn't put royal palace on the mountains, not just a flat land like Versailles. Decades later, in King Rama V reign during 1893 crisis with French gunboat forced their way in, and in his version of stories, even there asks one of the king's sacred white elephants. Rama V reveals a palace on the hill and a white elephant are not given away. Siam quietly showing it would deal with the empires, but never kneel.
Wrong, by the way. We stand by his saying.
If you really want to understand Phetchaburi, you have to go to see art at Wat Kok. So we cross the river to Wat Kok. And step into Ayutthaya era ordination hall. From outside, it's quite bricks and lamp plasters, low and solid. But once you slightly the doors opens and step inside, the walls start talking behind the main Buddhist image on the rear wall. I think it's very special here because like all of the paintings, it was about what is called the 10 great Jakarta tales of the Lord Buddhas, right?
It's a Buddhism tales.
There is Buddhism story, and what is made this painting so special is the scenes of Mara as souls, the moments of the Buddha faced all his doubts and temptations. On the opposite side wall in front, the painters open the entire cosmos. Along the side wall, episodes from Buddha life unfold in a long, continuous strap, while scenes of monk, forest, and palace run down below. The colors doesn't shout, they sit softly and dry plaster. Pigment mixed with glue brush on the surface that they had already set. All curving and twisting like a living thing crush my movement. The magic is in the plastic mix. Share burn into lump, fine sand, and then vendors like palm sugar syrup. One is dry, it's turned rock hard but is still delicate. Standing there for a few minutes and let your eye adjust. Shadows from windows frame slowly size over the patterns. The hall isn't just decorations, it is centuries of times, belief, and carved considers into four walls and ceilings.
Like this city remind me like the
What?
city of Thailand back then, like around 100 years. You guys might asking, I'm not born at that time, but I saw a lot in the photo. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah,
Like
it's
the
kind of like
wife and the buildings, how it look like, and the lifestyle of
yeah,
people
the
here, right?
charm,
Okay,
the charm
go
the charm of like a slow life.
for it. Yeah.
From here, the city is spread toward the hills. Phetchaburi is surrounded by them, so it makes sense to follow one all the way up. Heading to Tham Khao Luang, a cave that has been circumcised since at least early Yuttaya times.
Just drop it. So sad. Yeah.
Which side that touched the floor?
Not sure.
So it's
I just-
gambling 50-50.
Yeah. The taste is not like typical sugar.
It's like a floor sugar.
No.
ต้นตาล
Palm sugar.
Yeah.
So what's wrong with you? Huh?
By the time we reach the cave entrance, the forest behind us and the rocks open wide. Inside, the very first thing you notice is in the statue. It is a light, opening the cave ceilings around the sharp sunlight to drop straight into the main chamber.
Stretch.
Stretching.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, because you are a sportman, right?
Yeah, but here get cramped.
Just get this step.
Yeah.
Even old
So
man.
I saw like supernatural do something to me. Yeah, I have to stretch this out.
Around that lights and hundreds of Buddhist images. Some are old rich and stucco figures carved in gold. Some are new cast image. Some are serious. Some are almost gentle. A few bless contain the ash of local families, a common practice in these regions. Letting the deceased stay close to the Buddhas in a place that everyone recognizes as sacred.
One, how I call him?
What?
That laying Buddha.
It's a sleeping Buddhas. But look at this one. Wow.
Walk deeper and the cave divided into three main chambers. The main chambers belong to the beams of light. That is where most visitors end up standing in silence, just watching us dance. The innermost chambers is cooler and quieter, lines with Buddha's image set among the stalactites and stalagmites. Some statues sit in perfectly sized natural niches in the rock, as the caves prepared the space long before. Look up and you will notice the roots hanging through the crack in the ceilings, long strands from the trees above, reaching down to drink the damp air underground. They turn the cave into something that feels alive.
I just noticed this. See?
อุ้ยอย่าไปดีกว่า
I just thought it's a real body because it.
Or maybe it's a real body.
How that possible?
Like a pharaohs. We mummify Thai people.
By the time we climb back into the sunlight, our legs are trembling just enough to remind us how much we have walked today. So we ride out toward Bang Tabun, following the rivers until the widens into the estuaries.
You know, like when I arrived here, I tailing focus that Yeah, if I'm living here, I'm gonna be really happy. Because like when I
Really?
when I woke,
You wanna live here?
no, I just imagine.
Retire,
I just
right?
imagine that retiring here, and I just brought some like a shop house and renovate it as a house. And when I woke up, I come up downstairs and I opened the door and I saw various like street food in the front of my house. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a heaven already.
Oh, I thought like these places combine all around things together. But they have like wild, have sea, have coastal, have city,
Yeah,
have the mall, shopping mall. Yeah. It's all the things that you need in your whole life here.
yes, exactly. They have everything. Very slow life.
Better than I like personally. I just think like it's better than Pattaya.
Yeah, but
Pattaya is like you could go there, but occasionally.
yes, exactly.
Like sometime in your life you want to put like some color in your life, you could go there. But here, like you see, rice field.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. Like we have like the rice fields.
We stopped under the Phetchaburi Bridge on roads SS 2021, where Phetchaburi rivers open into the Gulf of Thailand. Suddenly, the horizon stretched wide. Mangrove hug the shoreline. On the shores, a child stands quietly, delicate to Admiral His Royal Highness Prince Arthapon Ketawong, Prince of Chumphon, the fathers of the Royal Thai Navies. Coastal communities all over Thailand has built shrines for him like this one, for safe passage and safe return. Here in Phetchaburi, the shrine sits exactly at the point where the brown river water meet the blue-green seas. In the late afternoons, the wind carries a salty edge, flag ripples one strap at a time, and boats slowly make their way home. The last light of the day laid a silver path across the waters, running strands from the shy out toward the open gulf.
What's going on?
Why am I end up here?
You look a bit struggled, like you stuck in the bush.
A simple reason, but we didn't record anything because like the monkey stole our camera. Yeah.
Come on. Be careful then. Don't hurt yourself.
Like you know what? I'm just like sitting there, listen to the wave hit the pier, and then
you've been
boom.
invading by monkey.
Yeah, invaded by monkey, and I just like
Yes.
yeah, and sadly no one helped camera and record the situation. But yeah, finally we got that back.
What they steal from you?
The pocket.
The pocket one.
Battery,
Battery.
yeah.
But if-
And the
if the-
police will asking you why you're not lack of
Responsibilities, right?
yeah.
Fuck. There is no equal.
Yeah,
between
okay,
man and
this will be
animal.
all, this will be all. Like,
Yeah.
keep this topic for us to discuss.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way.
And we
So
take
see you
away
next
wins.
video.